Okay, let's start with the next type of reading question type, IELTS reading section. This is a passage where you have to fill uh, table completion. Table completion is basically a table is given and some information is given about something which is mentioned in the passage, and you could fill certain details for those entries. Okay, where it is written, choose no more than 3 words from the passage for each answer. So you have to specific maximum 3 words for all these 9 to 13 questions. Just go to the questions. It is basically asking some information about species, French, Spanish, and South African ball roller, size, proper climate, some complementary species, start of active period, number of generations per year. So I know that I have to search for information regarding these species. And if I reach the passage where in this information is given, then I will read that passage carefully and answer these questions. We just go through the passage. Introducing dung beetles into pasture, it's a simple process. Dung beetle is basically some species into a pasture is basically a ground with some grass. Approximately 1,500 beetles are released a handful at a time into fresh cow pads, cow dung basically, in the cow pasture. The beetles immediately disappear beneath the pads, digging and tumbling, and if they successfully adapt to the new environment, soon become a permanent self-sustaining part of local ecology. तो काउ डंग के अंदर वो बीटल्स को छोड़ के तो नीचे उसको बीटल के अंदर जाके एक टनल से बना लेते हैं, वहीं पर अपना एक एनवायरनमेंट बना लेते हैं. इन टाइम दे मल्टीप्लाई एंड विद इन 3 or 4 years द बेनिफिट्स टू द पेस्टर आर ऑब्वियस. तो 3 साल बाद 4 साल बाद बेनिफिट्स नजर आते हैं फार्मर्स को. Dung beetles work from inside of the pad, so they are sheltered from predators such as birds and foxes. वो अंदर ही रहते हैं, बाहर नहीं है, बाहर predators such as birds and foxes वो खा जाएंगे. Most species burrow into the soil, वो नीचे soil के अंदर जाएंगे and bury dung in tunnels directly underneath the pad. वहां पे अंदर tunnels बना लेंगे which are hollowed out from within. अंदर से वो खोखले कर देंगे, लेकिन अंदर tunnel बना के वहां पे they will burrow into the soil. अंदर चले जाएंगे soil के. Some large species, अब specific species आने लगे हैं. Some large species originating from France exhibit a tunnel to a depth of approximately 30 centimeter below the dung pad. फ्रांस वाले स्पीसीज 30 सेंटीमीटर नीचे अप्रोक्सीमेट टनल बना लेते हैं. These beetles make sausage shaped groove chambers along the tunnels. Okay, the shallowest tunnels में सबसे नीचे मिनिमम टनल belong to much smaller Spanish species, वो सबसे कम बनाते हैं. That buries dung in the chambers that hang like fruit from the branches of pear tree. Okay, South African beetles, they dig narrow tunnels. इनपे थोड़े नैरो होते हैं, जरा विड्थ नहीं होती. अप्रोक्सीमेटली 20 सेंटीमीटर बिलो द सरफेस ऑफ द पैड. 3 स्पीसीज की उन्होंने बेसिकली विड्थ बढ़ा दी हुई है, कितना टनल्स वो बनाते हैं. डेप्थ सम सरफेस developing beetles, including a South African species, cut perfectly shaped balls from the pad, which are rolled away and attached to the bases of plants. This species जो South African type की है, वो एक शेप बनाती हैं, ball shape, which are rolled away and attached to the base of the plant. For maximum dung burial in spring, summer, and autumn, farmers require a variety of species with overlapping period of activity. Okay, in the cooler environment, अगर cooler environment है, the state of Victoria, वहाँ पे लोग large French species हैं जो कि 2.5 centimeters long है, is matched with smaller half the size temperate climate Spanish species. यहाँ पर अभी Spanish species वो temperate climate prefer करती हैं, and जो French species है, उसका size जो है वो 2.5 centimeter long है. The former means French, are slow to recover from winter cold and produce only 1 or 2 generations of offspring. तो ये जो फ्रेंच वाले हैं, 1 या 2 generations of next reproduction offspring बनाते हैं from the late spring until autumn. Late spring में start होते हैं. The latter means Spanish species which multiply rapidly in early spring produce 2 to 5 generations annually. Spanish वाले 2 से 4-5 generations हर साल बनाते हैं. The South African ball rolling species, being the subtropical beetle, subtropical climate prefer करते हैं. Prefer the climate of northern and coastal New South Wales, where it commonly works with South African turning species. इसका मतलब ये साउथ अफ्रीकन बॉल रोलिंग स्पीसीज और साउथ अफ्रीकन टर्निंग स्पीसीज दोनों आपस में मिलकर काम करते हैं. कॉमनली वर्क्स विद means complementary. In warmer climates, many species are active for longer periods of the year. Okay, now go to the questions. First is about French. They have mentioned all the information. We notice this information in the third paragraph. French Second paragraph, we can say 5 centimeter. And third paragraph, we notice which climate they prefer and which species they work with. And when is the start of active period and number of generations per year. But once the Spanish, which size is half of French. It is 125. They prefer which type of climate? Spanish. So go to the third passage. Here it is. The temperate climate Spanish species. So answer will be temperate in 9th. And start of active period is then Spanish ka. You can go through the third paragraph. From late spring until autumn, the farmer is slow to recover from. This is about French, the latter, which multiply rapidly in early spring. वो early spring आएगा and they produce 2 to 5 generations annually. तो early spring and 2 to 5. In the south of Kitchen ball roller, इसका हमने climate और complementary species बताना है. The south of Kitchen ball roller, third passage में बताया गया south of Kitchen ball roller, which is a subtropical climate and it works with south of Kitchen tunneling species. So answer will be south of Kitchen tunneling species in 30. So like this, you have to find the information and complete the table.